So I was telling so. How's the entire structure will be up, and in 6 months we complete the entire finishing. So we hope that within this calendar year, we'll hand over everything. We come down, the port, from there the crowd. Go up again, and go for the service movement, and then exit out.
After completion of this building, we have to start next building. Same. We have to